Hello. My name's Jake Randolph. Welcome back to another episode of the Apang 18. Today in this video we're going to talk about the communication social skills. First let's talk about don't be a space invader. One of the hidden social rules of conversation is to stand or sit an appropriate distance away from the person. Sitting or standing too close is referred to as invading their space. Stand at least an arm's length away when talking to another person. Don't get too close. An exception is when talking with your mother and father or a close relative. Don't be a space invader when you want to play with other kids or adults.
Can I see the dinosaur?
I like that he is not too close. They are at least an arm's length away while they talk. Hey, he is too close. That makes me mad and makes me uncomfortable. The boy is too close. He is being a space invader.
Hi.
Hi.
They are at least an arm's length away.
Hi.
I do not like how close he is. His behavior is impolite.
The boy is too close to his teacher. He is being a space invader. Don't be a space invader when you stand in a line. They leave some space between each other. The kids are too close to each other. They are being space invaders. Hint. Sometimes you have no choice but to be too close to other people, like when you are in a crowded elevator or on a crowded bus or train. That's okay. But when you do have the room, make sure you keep some space between you and the other person. Don't be a space invader when you are talking with your teacher. The boy is at least an arm's length away from the teacher. The students are too close to the teacher. They are being space invaders. Next let's talk about listening position. When someone else is talking, it's important to be a good listener. That involves your mind and your body. This skill is about what your body should do when listening. Make eye contact. Quiet hands and feet. Stay still. Quiet mouth. Don't talk while other people are talking. Make eye contact with the person talking. They are looking at him. They are not looking at him. Hint. It helps to turn your body toward the person talking. Quiet hands and feet. Stay still, don't move around, play or walk around. They are staying still.
These kids are being impolite by moving around while the boy is talking. It sends the message that they don't care about the boy or what he has to say.
They are moving their feet and hands. Quiet mouth. Don't talk while other people are talking.
This is my ball.
They are not talking while the girl in chair talks.
This is my ball.
Wow. My foot hurts. Can I go outside? Hey, what's that?
They are talking at the same time the girl in chair talks. Thanks for watching. Make sure you keep personal space as social distance and listen to people in school. Now let's get to the shoutouts.
Thank you guys for watching this video. So the shoutouts that we have for this video goes to Spencer Binger, Andrew Kowalczak, Austin Jennings, Miguel Aberling Jareed, Yuri Sunga, Ezekiel, Shakanga Portis, Wendy Knutson Wilson, Kyle Croder, Denny, Nick Simpnewski, Sebastian Shields, Bree Reeds, Wendy Jung, Drake Jr.'s Master Channel, Caroline McCall, Mike Gross, BLUEY Magenta and EMILIA, Byron Reno, Christian Morosi, Bob McGrath from Sesame Street, Dimitri, and Jessica Classic. And also on that note, I'm going to add the Diggerland, Blau Y Grana, and also this guy right here. Alright, thanks for watching. Just want to let you know to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, comment, and hit the notification bell. We're going to try to do a really good job this year. You can also follow us on social media, which is my Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can also check out my portfolio website for more information.
Coming up next, the APANG 18. We'll be right back. Keep it here.